Hi everyone, today we have this platform called BrandWell AI, and this is the best AI SEO writer and brand growth tool. Before we begin, consider heading over to the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Now, jumping onto the platform, you will be able to realize that we have a couple of features in here. So if you click on this plus icon from the top left side of your screen, you can see a suite of different type of features, and in here we have, like for example, if you want to ask or create with Amy, basically this is their AI model that could be used, and you can get started with that. Now you can see it is basically getting started, so you can enter in here whatsoever you would like. You can write with AI, so in search engine optimization, writing and simply adding attractive blog posts or paragraphs and articles could be sometimes really crucial. So for that particular reason, we have this AI integration and writing tool. You can start writing here or select the source, so you can write with their AI model Amy. And yeah, so it is really handy. Now let's just head back basically, and you will be able to realize we have much more tools in here as well. We have a premium blog post creator, we have new project, we have keyword researchers. So in SEO optimization, keyword is the of course main part and very important factor. Optimization auditing, new topic report, and various other, like for example AI detection and that type of stuff. On the top you can see the post that you will be creating will be listed in here, and similarly all of the other tabs. So talking about BrandWell's reviews, you will be able to realize that I have just tested the site, and this is of course having a very nice scoring on different platforms. So you can give a try to BrandWell using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.